So first thing I want to do is make sure that you have got different variations of your branding. So we're going to make sure that you are aware of some features, and I'm going to be teaching bits and pieces over the next few weeks to help you to actually improve the way your brand shows up, your consistency, but most importantly, your confidence in branding, because you are actually the brand manager for your brand. So let's get cracking on this. Here's the logo, my logo, of course. And I'm just going to go over to effects, and we are going to go to the duotone button. And then we're going to go to, I want to make this purple because I'm going to do something temporarily and I'll show you. And then I'm going to just click on that here and make sure that both highlights are the purple that I want. Actually, what I should have done was just double checked this code. Copy this code of the first one because I want it all to be the same. Yeah, so first and second color will be the same. So you'll see that there'll be identical circle colors in a moment. So that's that. Then I'm going to remove the background. So this is still the logo here. I'm going to click on it and go to background remover just here. Background remover. And what will happen is this then becomes a purple version of my logo on brand. Yeah. And actually it needs to be like that. But if you understand Canva, you know that's the safe spaces. These little grid lines you see there, they are the safe spaces. So I'm just making my logo purple. There you go. And then I've got some other versions here that I've done. So I've actually already created them. So on this one, I'm going to make it pink. Same thing again. But actually, if you follow along with me, I'm going to make sure the safe space works first. Right, so in the safe space, might be a bit off center actually, but this is just a demo video. And then I'm going to go to the duotone. Okay, so we're going to find that, and we're going to go to effects. Remember, that's the button you need, effects, and then duotone. I want this one pink. Actually, I could go to any of these and make it pink. I'll show you. Right, so here's a yellow one. So I'm just going to go here. I'm going to just make sure that my highlights are the color that I want. Then I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go back in and just make sure that the shadows are also the color that I want. So I'm just going to paste in that code that I just copied. So it's identical. Then I'm going to check it's identical, which it is. You see it there. And then I'm going to come off of that. Now we've got it. The logo sits behind there. We're going to now go to background remover and it becomes pink. So this is quite an intense pink here, just showing you this for demo purposes. And then when you do that, all you're going to do is go to save as or download, and you're going to save it with a transparent background. And you could even select the page numbers that you want. So on this instance, I'm going to save page 1 and 2. And it then, once I click done, saves to wherever it is you store your files. So that's how easy it is to actually get your visuals as a color. All right. So that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video.